Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start making $100 a day with affiliate marketing, where you can actually start scaling that up to even $1,000 a day. It's a simple process, and the cool thing about it is, for one, I'm using this simple process. The majority of a lot of the successful affiliate marketers out there are also using this process, and also you can actually get started if you have little to no subscribers. If you have a small email list, whatever the case is, anybody can actually start this if you implement this simple process and actually stay consistent with it. You'll start making money online. Alright guys, so welcome back to this video. If you guys are new to this channel, please subscribe and like this video. Hit that notification bell so you can start getting notified when I upload new videos and put out more information, more content out here, so you guys could actually be informed on when that happens. So down on the screen here, you actually see that this is actually the simple process. If you actually seen my other TikToks or other videos, I do talk about this simple process, and I talk about this because it is a simple and very effective way on how to get people through your funnels and actually make a sale, and for you to actually start getting paid. So at the end of this video, if you guys stick with me, at the end of this video, I'm going to explain to you, talk to you guys about where you can actually start, how you can start becoming an affiliate marketer. If this is something that you're interested in as far as making money online, for whatever the case is as far as your situation, right? Whether you want to get away from your 9-to-5 job, you want to make more income, you want to spend more time with the family, whatever the case is, and you want to make money online, stick with me to the end, and I'm going to actually explain to you, show you exactly where to go on this, okay? So let's go ahead and jump in here. You actually already see the screen. You already see what's going on here on the screen, and this is a simple process as far as how you actually could get paid. So before we jump into this, if you guys don't know what affiliate marketing is, pretty much that you are the marketer and you promote other people's products, other companies' products. That's all we do. We don't handle anything in the shipping, customer service, inventory, any of that stuff. We just market the product. If people actually like the stuff, our traffic likes the product that we're marketing, and they buy, we make a commission. Simple as that. So in order for us to make sales, we need traffic, right? So traffic is king. We do need traffic in order for you to get people through your sales funnel. So where do you actually get traffic from? So you get traffic from, right now, the hot trend is everything's about TikTok, right? It's a new app that just came out a couple years ago, but it's actually getting really big here. And what happens is you can actually put out content on TikTok talking about either your products, whatever the case is. Have those people that are interested go and send them through your funnels, and then of course hopefully get them off to the other side where they make a sale and you get a commission, okay? So, but it doesn't necessarily have to be TikTok. It could be from Facebook, Instagram, anywhere that there's social media, people that are looking for solutions, whatever the case is, right? If you want a full detail on this, I actually explain about this. I go into very good detail about this. I'll put a card up here on the top so you guys actually go check it out. But the basic thing is you're going to take traffic from social media. So for example, TikTok, that is what I use, and I send my people over to my Facebook group where I actually explain a little bit more, and I can actually get in one-on-one with them and kind of give them all the details. Or I could send them to my YouTube channel where I could actually explain the whole process more in detail, have more time on videos on that. So you also see that there's actually a line pointing straight to the opt-in page. So I give my customers or my leads different ways on how they want to approach this. For example, a lot of them know what I'm actually trying to promote and they go straight into my opt-in page. Others, they want to join my Facebook group. They want more details on the YouTube, whatever the case is, right? The biggest thing is that you grab that person by their email, where you can actually have a relationship with them and you can actually get closer to them, so you could explain to them what the product is, what your story is, and so forth, right? Once you send them over to the opt-in page is where you're going to be collecting the emails. So you're going to actually collect their emails, and I'll explain a little bit more about that. Send them over to the thank you page / bridge page, and this is where you're going to have a short video sales VSL letter, right? Just pretty much saying thank you for your email. This is what I'm promoting. I'm going to hand you over to my mentor, my sales product, or whatever the case is, right? That way the customer is not confused and they know that they're going to transition from your face over to the company's face, or whatever the product that you're actually selling, right? So you send them over to the affiliate offer, and of course if they make a sale, you get a commission from there. Now, a lot of companies, a lot of affiliates also have upsells, right? It's just like if you go to McDonald's, if you order a hamburger, what's their upsells? Would you like fries and a Coke with that, right? It's only $1, $2 more, but on the long run, they'll start making more money. That's the same way it happens right here. If they have upsells and the customer buys, you make more money, right? The company makes more money, you make more money, and the customer that actually buys gets more training or whatever the case is, right? So let's say that they don't go. They go all the way through your affiliate offer and they don't buy. This is where the emails come in, and you could actually stay in contact with them, remind them why they actually joined in the first place. For example, in my situation, I'm in the make money online, right? Everybody wants to make money online for whatever reason, right? Like I was saying earlier, get away from your 9-to-5 job, more money, whatever the case is, right? So remind them, hey, you joined in, you opt in, there's a reason why, right? So you explain to them and give them more information as far as what this is going to help them with, right? How is it going to make their life better? You're not trying to persuade them or force them to buy something. That's actually the wrong way to do stuff. You're just actually putting all that information on the table, and them as a customer is going to decide whether they want it or they don't. That is what affiliate marketing is. So of course, once you actually send them these emails, you're going to send them straight to the affiliate offer, and of course, that's how they're going to actually buy. This is a simple process on how it all works. And let me take you through my funnel and my sales. That way you can actually see firsthand exactly what I'm talking about. So everything starts for TikTok for me, right? So let's go over to my TikTok channel. And this is my other EMS one that I've created. So let's see, let's go over to my profile. So this is my profile right here, and you can kind of see I've kind of been doing it for a little bit, for about 6 months now. And TikTok is actually really, really amazing because you can actually grab a lot of eyeballs, a lot of people's eyeballs here, and actually send them through, right? Through your sales funnel or whatever the case is, okay? So the point is that you don't have to be a big follower. You don't have to have a big following or a big email subscriber in order for you to start getting sales to send them over to your list. This simple process is going to maximize your funnels and of course your conversions as much as possible, okay? So what I do is I actually grab them here from my TikTok. I talk about it a little bit, and then I tell them, hey, if you want more information, go to my link, which is right here, right? Of course, on the phone or on the app, it's going to look a lot different, but once they click on my link, it's going to send them over to my opt-in page. This is my opt-in page, right? Just something simple. Now, the biggest thing on an opt-in page is you want curiosity. That's how you want them to like continue to click through, right? Before, there was a way where you can actually offer them something free, right? Hey, I'm going to give you a free video. I'm going to give you a free ebook, PDF, or whatever the case is. In today's world, in 2021, it doesn't really work as much, right? I've actually noticed and I've actually seen that curiosity actually works a lot better, right? So discover how anyone can live the laptop lifestyle. Basic, that's what everybody wants to do, right? Whoever clicks on it, hey, I want to work from home. I want to spend more time. I want to work from my laptop, right? Click below to watch a free presentation to reveal the formula. So, okay, that's curiosity, right? And then down here, what's inside the exact framework to create a 6-figure online business in your spare time. So that's also curiosity, right? Hey, I'm kind of interested. I want to know what the framework is. I want to see what's going on, right? So they click in, and this is where they're going to actually grab their emails. So you can kind of see their opt-in. You're going to grab their emails, and then from here, you're going to send them over to the thank you /bridge page, okay? They put in their emails. They're going to continue through, and now on this page, you're going to have a little video of myself with my face explaining what it is, what they're getting themselves into, you know, just saying thank you for your email. This is what you actually want. I'm going to send you over, and this is how I started my journey. This is how I started making 6 figures or whatever the case is, right? And you're going to send them over, and you're going to explain to them that you're going to hand them over to the affiliate offer, right? In my situation, it's going to be my mentor that's been mentoring me on how to make money online. So simple. Once again, the page is also very simple. You can kind of see here that you have up here a little some bullet points about what they're going to get into as far as affiliate marketing, how they make money online. You have some videos here about other people explaining their journey, and then right here is just a short little paragraph explaining yourself, a little bit about yourself, right? For example, for me, I've tried everything from drop shipping, Amazon FBA, eBay, whatever the case is, and this is actually what's worked as far as Amazon, right? I'm sorry, as far as affiliate marketing. Once they click over, now they're going to be over to the affiliate page, right? So here, like I explained to them, this is my face. You've been seeing my face. Now I'm going to hand you over to Dave Sharp, which is going to be his face, right? Just so they won't get confused. And you kind of see that my affiliate link's in there. And if they buy, let's go back up here. And if they buy, we make a commission. If they don't, if they go all the way through this actual sales offer and they don't buy, this is where the emails come in, and I could actually begin to email them either every day, every other day, whatever, trying to get closer to them, see if they have any questions so we can actually squash those bugs or whatever the case is, right? That is a simple process on how affiliate marketing works. Now, there are other details that go into this whole process, but this is the main process. Now, if you guys want to actually start learning how affiliate marketing works, where I got my training from, of course, what I'm promoting is going to be the 15-day challenge here. So you can kind of see, this is where I've gone through it. So I went through this training, and this is also what I recommend for other people to start their journey, right? And what does the 15-day online business challenge offer, right? What pretty much offers all this here. If you guys have any other questions or want to know more about affiliate marketing, as far as the 15-day challenge and legendary marketer, there will be another video down in the description here. I'm going to post it so you guys could actually go through there. I take you behind my dashboard, behind the scenes, kind of explain to you and show you what they offer, what it is, and of course other products and training, what they are, right? So, because a lot of people, I have been getting a lot of questions as far as what it is, how it works, and they keep getting confused from legendary marketer to the 15-day challenge. There's going to be a video down here in the description so you could check that out and explain a little bit more in detail. But as I was saying, this is a training that I went through, and this is a training that I recommend others to go through as far as getting the required information, training, whatever, right? Also bonuses. You get a business high ticket business plan, Facebook ads templates if you guys want to start running Facebook ads, right? High ticket email templates so you can start emailing your customers, your leads, or whatever the case is, right? This is the actual training that I went through, and this is what I recommend others to go through. So simple process, as I was saying, this is how people start making $100 a day. And then of course, once you start scaling, you start getting a little bit more followers and they start recommending you. Facebook starts recommending you, YouTube, your video starts going out there. You start having more people come into your sales funnel. That's when you actually begin to start scaling up into $1,000 days, right? So if you guys have any other if you guys have any questions about this video, as far as if I didn't explain something right, or you guys are interested, whatever the case is, you want to get to me, you want to actually contact me, drop a comment down in the description there. I answer all my comments. And as I was saying earlier, if you guys are new to this channel, please subscribe. It really helps out the algorithm. I'll put out more info, more content like this for all you people. But until then, guys, I'll see you guys on the next one.